Spoken narration ghostwritten by the above artist. Mimic their style closely. Speak in the first person. The point of a video is to form a deep connection with the audience. Avoid mentioning the name of the ghostwriter. Hey there, history buffs! Today I'm diving into the captivating history of Colt guns. Let's travel back to the early 19th century, a time of innovation and transformation. Hold on to your hats because this is going to be a thrilling ride. Our story begins with Samuel Colt, an inventor with a vision. In 1836, Colt patented the Colt Paterson, the world's first commercially successful revolving cylinder pistol. Imagine the excitement of those days. Firearms were evolving and the Colt Paterson was leading the charge. It featured a revolving cylinder that allowed for multiple shots without reloading, revolutionary for its time. But Colt's breakthrough didn't stop there. Fast forward to the 1850s, and we see the introduction of the Colt Walker. Designed for the Texas Rangers, this beast was a powerful .44 caliber revolver, known for its stopping power and reliability. The Colt Walker played a significant role in the Mexican-American War, cementing its place in history. Now let's talk about the Colt Single Action Army, or as some call it, the Peacemaker. Introduced in 1873, this iconic firearm became synonymous with the American West. Cowboys, lawmen, and outlaws alike wielded the Peacemaker. Its simplicity, durability, and accuracy made it a favorite. Even today it holds a legendary status among gun enthusiasts. As we move into the 20th century, Colt continued innovating. The Colt 1911, designed by John Browning, became one of the most famous semi-automatic pistols in history. Adopted by the U.S. military in, you guessed it, 1911, it saw action in both world wars and beyond. Its design was so successful that it remains in use over a century later. But Colt's influence didn't end there. The Colt Python, introduced in 1955, is another masterpiece. Known for its precision, smooth trigger, and beautiful craftsmanship, it's often referred to as the Rolls-Royce of revolvers. Collectors and shooters alike admire the Python for its performance and aesthetic appeal. So why does Colt stand out in the world of firearms? It's because of their relentless pursuit of innovation and quality. From the early days of the Colt Paterson to modern classics like the Colt Python, Colt Firearms have left an indelible mark on history. Each model tells a story of ingenuity, resilience, and American spirit. And there you have it, folks, a quick yet fascinating journey through the history of Colt guns. Whether you're a history buff or a firearms enthusiast, Colt's legacy is truly remarkable. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more bite-sized history lessons. Stay curious and keep exploring the past.